Today I'm going to teach you how to turn this into a skin fade. We'll be fading from the number 0 at the very bottom into the number 2 at the very top. What you'll be needing is a trimmer, a clipper with the number 2 guard and the number 0.5 guard, and of course a comb. Start off by washing the hair. This will get rid of any cowlicks or any kind of bedhead in the hair, which will affect the haircut. Now you want to clip away anything that you're not going to be fading, which is the top part. Blow dry everything at the bottom to its natural growth pattern. We pretty much want the hair to look like how it would be if you were to air dry it. In order to keep the haircut more consistent, you have to make sure everything in the section is dried all equally, because wet hair will appear longer and shrinks when it dries. Starting with the trimmer, you'll be using this to create the skin fade. This will be the shortest part of the haircut. Depending what your client wants, cut according to their preference. Now I know this part can look a little bit scary because you're pretty much going skin tight, but you have to trust in the process. If you're really scared, maybe go a little bit lower just to begin with. But if you ain't scared, then just follow me. Connecting the line to the back. Now I like to make my skin fade in the shape of an arc. I find that this gives it a little bit more dimension than just a straight line across. Going up the head slowly until everything is connected. This will be the foundation of this haircut, so make sure you don't rush this part. Now usually I would not stop halfway at the back of his head. I would go around including to the other side. But for this video, I'll just be showing you the process of one side so you can repeat it on the other side. It should look something like this. Do the same thing to the other side so that everything at the bottom is connected for your skin fade. When you're done, we'll be using the clipper with the number 2 guard. Now this is the easiest part. You just gotta run your clipper to everything that you did not cut. Now that is not including the section that you clipped away. Make sure you don't cut the top with this. So the game plan is first creating the shortest part of the haircut, and then the longest part of the haircut. Afterwards, we use the fading to connect the two. When you're done, switch to the 0.5 guard, pushing the lever all the way down. For this part, I'll be cutting everything up to the part where his head starts to curve, which is almost about halfway of the top section. Now this might be the trickier part of the haircut. Because the head starts to cave in, you don't want to follow the head shape or else it will just go right in. You will need to use your comb to create a wall so you can continue the fade upward and not inward. Next step, with the same guard, pushing the lever all the way up, closing the blades together. The goal is to erase the bottom line. I'm using the edge of the clipper in order to erase this line. Now I'm not sure if it's obvious enough in the camera, but with the naked eye, you can still see that there is a very faint line right there. And being the perfectionist that I am, I gotta blend that in. Taking off the guard, opening the blades just a little bit. Again, using the edge of the clipper, erasing the line. When you're done, it should look something like this. In order to check your haircut, look at it at different angles. If it looks like a straight wall, then you nailed it. Going back to the trimmer, we're gonna clean up the hairlines now, simply just cutting it into the shape you want. And the final result. Let me know how you guys did in the comment section below. If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel a lot. You can follow my Instagram for other contents. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time.
Just you and me. Summertime, get ready, we are so divine. Blue water and yellow sand. Let's live our dream. Summertime, get ready, we are so